amazing deals on over 450 airlines worldwide. Plus, when you use promo code SAVE20, you could knock up to $20 off from their booking fees when you fly domestically. So what are you waiting for? Download their free app, visit the website, or call 888-657-7773 and book a flight with Cheapo Air. Promo code expires June 30th, 2015.
Are you a business owner that could use some extra time and money to grow your business? With the help of Community Tax, you no longer have to take on the costs of hiring full-time accountants, buying computers, software, and leasing office space to run your business. We specialize in secure cloud-based accounting and tax services for businesses nationwide looking to focus on growing their business and becoming more profitable. For as low as $99 a month, you can outsource all your accounting, payroll, bookkeeping, and tax preparation needs. We assign you your own dedicated accountant that handles everything for you. You'll also get a free tax return at year-end with business and tax planning to save you money and help you reach your financial goals. Get started today for as low as $99 a month. The setup is very easy, so call Community Tax now for a free, no-obligation consultation by dialing 800-741-3179. 800-741-3179. 800-741-3179.
You're listening to Sirius XM.
This is Sirius XM Satellite Radio.
14 years after Brian Roof's murder, investigators never lost hope they would solve the case.
The thing about Brian, he was a very good kid, and I think he would have been able to really make something of his life and his family if he was able to continue on in life, and that was cut short.
When investigators heard that their original suspect, Dale Bradley, was now a suspect in yet another murder investigation, they decided to look once again at the evidence. And this time, this boot, one they found in the mountains near his burial site. They spotted something, some kind of scuff mark on the bottom of the boot. It looked like reddish, paint. I saw a swatch of paint. It just flashed back to me that that was the same color paint that was on the outside of his car. And I kind of got excited. I kind of got a little bit of butterflies. And I thought, I got it.
Is he letting him go?
Yeah.
Why?
They must be taken care of already.
Fox presents music, comedy, and entertainment on the Fox Source.
Hi, it's Jeff Foxworthy. Listen to me and all our buddies on Jeff and Larry's Comedy Roundup.
See that on?
Yep.
Okay, sit down.
Howdy. Running? Thank you. Yeah. Okay, so I talked to him. He admitted to brake checking and stuff like that. I'll just let you know what he said. He said that you were passing somebody, pulled out right in front of him and cut him off. I don't know if that's the case or not. He admitted to that, so I wrote him a driving citation. He came by and he had about 5 over, so I wrote him for the speed. He also didn't have valid insurance. He didn't have proof of his insurance. So I wrote him 3 tickets. Hopefully he'll get the picture and he'll take care. I mean, even if you did what he said you did, still brake checking somebody, that's not what needs to happen. You did the right thing calling us.
It's just a normal pass. I mean, you can see on the video I came over nice and slow, and it's just I seen him coming up on me.
Well, he was going a little fast as he came by, so he could have been, you know, if someone's speeding, it looks like you got enough space, especially in this, and they're coming up too fast. So.
Yeah, he doesn't need to be doing that.
Yeah. Well, hopefully he won't be doing it anymore because he got about $600 worth of citation, so hit him in his pocketbook, and that's about as much as I can do. Do you have any questions?
I'm good.
All right, man. Well, hey, drive safe.